welcome back again sa channel. For today's video guys, magkano tayo? Liliaut tayo ng studio. Yan, sa anak ni boss. Dito sa amin main office sa 3rd floor. Ito yung gagawing studio ni Sir Tulo. Meron dito mga partition, binaklas namin ng mga nakaraang araw. Kayong ceiling babaguhin. So ngayon, nililiaut naman natin yung panibagong partition. Ayan, ito yung plano natin. Papacheck muna natin yung eskwala ng kwarto bago natin i-final yung partition nya. Kasi meron na tayong dito location ng partition. Dito lang tayo. Bali naka-plus lang tayo dito sa wall na to. Papunta doon. Diretso. Ito magiging office. Ayan. So, pinapadouble check ko muna yung area na to kung eskwalado hanggang dito. Ayan. Ito yung mga binaklas namin, pinatabi ko na. Ayan. May dalawang kwarto pa doon sa kabilang side. Andun yung CR, male and female. Meron tayong electric fan, na table tayo sa may upuan. So ito yung ating bagong project na gagawin. Ayan.
focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. But if you